all, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I will discuss when you should hire a lawyer after a car accident. Not every car accident case requires an attorney. If you were in a very minor car accident and didn't sustain injuries, for example, you likely don't need to speak with a lawyer just to sort out a property damage claims. However, if you have suffered significant injury and are now dealing with mounting medical expenses and are unable to work, you should speak to an attorney as soon as possible. The main question is, do I even really need a lawyer? Yes, you do. Even after a serious accident, many people don't think they need an attorney. They believe that because they are going through an insurance company, they will receive the compensation and they need quickly and easily. Unfortunately, it's not usually that simple. Some attorneys understand this and have extensive experience taking on large insurance companies that seek to minimize delay or deny claims. Now, the most common ways lawyers can assist with a car accident claim include: number 1, provide a free evaluation. Attorney understand that car accident victims are not typically in a position to pay a lawyer after a crash. You are already dealing with high medical expenses and are likely unable to work. For this reason, our car accident lawyers offer free, no obligation case evaluations. A consultation allows the lawyer to review your case and advise you of your legal options, all at no cost to you. Number 2 is investigate your crash. Investigating the cause of an accident is no easy task. It's necessary, though, as it's the only way to know who should be held liable. Attorneys have the knowledge, experience, and resources to properly investigate your crash, including using accident reconstruction experts. Next is identify all potential sources of compensation. There may be more than one party to blame after an accident. If a commercial truck was involved, for example, the truck driver, trucking company, and truck manufacturer may all be responsible for paying compensation. Your attorney will identify all negligent parties so you can demand the full amount of compensation you need. The next one is consult with experts. Attorneys have a vast network of experts to call on in car accident cases. Medical experts will give their opinion on your injury. Mental health experts can substantiate claims of mental anguish, and highway safety experts can testify about road conditions that contributed to the accident. These are just a few types of experts whom the lawyers can contact to help with the claim. The next one is manage settlement negotiations. Insurance companies don't want to pay out on large claims. The more they pay, the more profits they lose. As such, they often offer low settlements, hoping accident victims are happy to receive anything at all. The lawyers know the tricks these companies use to reduce delay or deny claims, and we won't stand for them. Your car accident lawyer will negotiate with the insurance company and the at-fault party to demand the fairest settlement possible. And the lawyers argue your case at trial if necessary. When insurance companies and at-fault parties don't want to pay a fair settlement, a powerful team of litigators will take the case to trial and argue in front of a judge and jury if necessary. These are just a few of the ways our lawyers can help after a car crash. To receive that help, you should contact the firm as soon as possible after a collision. Now, the main question is, why is it important to contact a lawyer soon after a crash? Accident victims have a lot to deal with after a crash. They are typically suffering from injury, trying to determine when they can go back to work, and wondering how they are going to pay for their medical expenses. Among all these, it's important that victims speak to an attorney soon after a crash for many reasons. The evidence can disappear. Some evidence, such as tire marks on a road, will naturally disappear over time. Other evidence, such as vehicle parts left at the accident site, may be cleaned up or even taken by the at-fault party to make it more difficult for the accident victim to prove fault. Evidence is most effective when it is gathered soon after a crash, and your attorney can get to work collecting it right away. Witnesses' memories can fade because eyewitness testimony is often crucial in a personal injury claim. However, our time memories can fade. Witness may not remember important details such as weather. Although eyewitness testimony is solid evidence that only remains true if they still remember how the accident happened, over time they may not. So when filing a car accident claim, you want to get compensation for all your losses and expenses associated with the accident. As such, your losses must be documented from the very beginning of the case. While you may keep records of things such as medical expenses, your attorney will ensure other losses, such as the cost of the transportation to doctor's appointments, are also documented. So even if you don't contact a car accident lawyer soon after a crash, the insurance company of the at-fault party is likely to contact you. When they do, they will try a number of strategies to discount your claim, and they may take your words out of context to show that you're admitted fault, or they may offer a low settlement in the hope that you will take it and forfeit some compensation. Your attorney can speak to the insurance company on your behalf from the very beginning so these communications don't hurt your case. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.